Hi, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I took to generate somewhere around 25 plus leads in couple of days, in just 1 day or 2 days, okay, who are highly targeted in my business, in my services. Plus, you will see the exact steps, right? The starting from creating the sales page, not sales page, the opt-in page, then the thank you page, also in between how I created the email autoresponder, right? The automatic email should go, and all the strategy behind, and of course the end product page where they will see the product in action. Okay, so this is going to be a very powerful video, guys. If you are working something, just stop it, focus on it. And if you haven't yet got your Groove page access, there is a link below. Okay, it's an affiliate link. Go click there, get your free access first. Okay, and if you follow along, you will be able to design the entire interface absolutely for free. And number third, my friend, please check this out. If you click the link, the first link, you will be able to create your own online business absolutely for free. You have all the details, all the, like, you know, there is a 5-step process that I'm going to give you inside, okay, which you can just take it and implement by yourself if you want, or if you want my help to teach you how to do that, that is also available inside. So if you do that, okay, what you are getting is this one. First, you will get these two gifts from my side. One is the mass conversion 2.0. You know, that's a 9-step guide to killer conversion. Okay, and it's a must to have, because you want your prospects to a buyer, right? There has to be, you should be able to convert them. So there is a 9-step guide that I'm going to give you absolutely for free. And after that, if you wait till the end, my friend, you are going to get the blueprint, this one, the fast track business launcher blueprint. Let me just show you inside what it is. So this is the fast track business launcher blueprint. You see, it's a very long form. You have all the steps listed, so everything you will get. And this is the 9 blueprint proven steps. Okay, so now if you haven't subscribed to the channel, my friend, please see, these are the value content you will be getting. Okay, oops, my Captain America just fell down. He was also very much excited, right? So please, if you haven't yet subscribed, my friend, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, because I'm going to give you a lot of value content absolutely for free in this channel. Okay, and this is what we will be doing today. If you see it right now, right, this is the exact page. I will show you how I build it, okay, using Groove. If you haven't yet got your access to Groove, please get it. There is a link below in the description. Go click there, get your free account first, okay, and build it. Okay, I will show you, right, how I generated 21 contacts. If you see right now, in just 2 days, my friend. Today is 23rd. If you see here, I think you might not be able to see it. Let me just Google it. Sorry, Google. Today's date. You see, today is 23rd September, and here we generated list. If you see this side, right, it's all 2022, somewhere around that time frame, within 2 to 3 days. And just to confirm, I haven't worked on this from last 2 days. Okay, I just worked on it on 20th, and after that this just keeps on coming in. There is a tactic, there is a way you deliver your message, but my friend, the main focus is I'm delivering them something that has worked for me, okay, which is currently working. If you're interested, by the way, to get this 500 followers in just 1 month, please, there is a link, free, absolutely free. Go check that out. Okay, you can do that as well. Now yeah, so this is what I am going to show you, how to build this one. After that I will show you how I built this thank you page and all the strategy behind it. Okay, why I created this thank you page, why I didn't just give them access to the product page. And after that I will show you how I created this product page. Now this is very important, because here, oops, nobody gave me any reviews, guys. If you have gone through it, please, I would highly recommend, it would help me if you put some review comments over here as well. Okay, so if you go, I will show you how exactly I developed this. the product page where you are delivering the content. Okay, and what is the psychology behind it? Everything we will be discussing. Plus I will give you, and regarding this, right, this automation, right, how to create this automation, I have already created a separate video that shows how you link your what do you call, okay, how you link your pages, okay, how you connect it with ActiveCampaign. Now I am using Groove has Groove Mail. It's running successfully really nicely, but I'm still not getting into it because I don't want any kind of disruption right now. Okay, they just launched it a couple of weeks back. It is working fine. You need some third-party support as well, but because I have a free plan with ActiveCampaign for 1 full year, that's why I'm not bothered about it's already paid. That's why I'm not bothered about getting into Groove Mail right now. But if you go to this course, my friend, it is everything is stored inside. How to set up your Groove email as well. Okay, it's there inside the course. This one just now that you are looking at right now. Okay, before I create it, guys, let me do one thing. I will create another video to show you, but right now let me talk about strategies that that I used to build this up. Okay, all the strategies for this open page, as well as for the thank you page, as well as for the product delivery page. I want to make sure you understand the strategy behind it. Okay, how it can, if you are able to scale it, okay, the power is unlimited. Okay, so here is what the first one, if you see, I made it completely optimized to my if I want to run any ads, right, Facebook ad or Google ad or whatever, it has to be optimized according to them, right? So that is what I did. I created an about stuff. If you click here, you will go to the about page. It's complete legit. It tells you, right, about me, who am I, what my business is, what my services are. Absolutely. Now let me tell you, this is not the full complete page. This is one of the child pages, child companies that I have, Fast Track Business Launcher. It's actually part of the 7F group. Okay, so now, and also it has the all the kind of terms and anti-policy, copyright notice, everything is there. Also there is this section. This is very much friendly with your Facebook advertising, where you are telling it's not all the disclaimers, everything is noted down here. Also there is a cookie over here. Now you also knows everything, right? You know all these things. So there is a cookie consent. You have to do it. You have that. It should be there in your page somewhere. Now there is a reason why I made it popping like this, right? It should, because static one, it might not drag the attention, but when you see this one, it always drag attentions because it is popping. It's something not very very static stuff. It's dynamic. It's telling them to do something. There is a impact of that one. Now if you see this, there is a share link. If I click here, what it happens is it will share my stuff. So basically, what I'm doing here is I'm giving my visitors an option to share. Now, no, everybody will not do that. But few people, they will. Okay, they will share it. Now, why they will share it, that's a different story. I can create another video for that where I will show you the exact. Let me just quickly show you that as well. Okay. Because if you want, you can do that, right? See, there is another video I had, okay, another one, but you see, this is why people will share. You have to give some kind of winning prize deal so that they would be interested in sharing. Okay, this is another funnel, guys. I will tell you how I build this. This is absolutely another funnel. This tells all the lot of value I'm giving right now here itself, and I'm giving an option to share. Now if you see, when they are sharing the same page, right, Fast Track Business Launcher, there is a completely different image is coming into their profile when they're sharing it. But when they're doing here share, It's completely different. Now how to do that, that is also I'm going to cover in this. Okay, so let's talk about strategy. So we talked about why I clicked this, right? Because this is attention. This drags human attention when there is something is not static, it's blinking. Second one is giving them a sharing option, so that in future, if somehow they liked it, or if you're not giving any gifts anyways right now, but I can come up with a strategy when I'm scaling it. I can come up with that strategy so that this share option, well, they can share it to as many people in their profile, and other people whom you don't even know, they will be able to see your stuff. They might get interested and they can come to your page, right? That's the power of it. Now headlines and subheadlines, these are absolutely critical, because it has to drag attention and it has to be true. How to get 500 genuine Instagram followers, it's not something that is not that is something I created from the thin air. No, it is I implemented it in a 1 month and I saw the growth, and if you check right now it could be 600 somewhere. So if you see, it is something I built it, okay? But the constructions of words are really critical. Also this one, without spending on ads, without downloading, without any apps, no bots, without follow for follow. Now all these things are part of grabbing the attention, which is true, yet it can grab a lot of attention. Okay, if I scale it, it'll go to I don't know how much, but definitely I'm going to scale it. And when I scale it, I'm talking about running ads. Till now it's all free. I'm testing it with different groups. Okay, I will talk about the strategy later, but yeah, this is definitely going to be a winner ad. That is what I'm seeing right now. Okay, no viruses, that's good, right? Okay, so that is how. And this one, let me talk about the second one. This is the credibility piece, where you are. So see, sometimes most starters, right, people who are starting out, they think, how do we bring credibility, because we are just starting out, we don't have any experience, we don't have any feedback or any stuff like that, so how do we give the credibility? Well, my friend, you have been working on something, right? Either in company, I have been still now working on this company. So you can bring that piece, okay? You don't always have to create what is called testimonials. You might not have the testimonials, but the best way to get a testimonial is, once you have a service and a short format, just reach out to your target audience and tell them, I'm ready to give it absolutely for free in return of a service, in return of a testimonial. Would you be interested to go check it out and give me a testimonial? It's very easy these days, right? If you go to any Facebook group in your niche and do that, I'm 100% sure there will be 10 to 50 people who will be ready to give you the testimonials. Okay, so that's the very easy way you can go and check that out. Okay, there are people who are good, okay? And you are not just asking them for any testimonial, you are helping them with something really constructive, right? So they will definitely going to give you a testimonial. So that is how you'll bring credibility. I haven't yet done it, but my primary course that I just told you, right? This one, the FBL series, the FBL cash machine. This is I'm going to give out a couple of guys absolutely for free. If you do a video testimonial for this, let me know. Just drop me a email. I'll send you the link. Okay, absolutely for free, so that you go through the course. Okay, it's very power paid course to my guys. Okay, it's actually $297. I'm revealing everything, just forget it. Okay. Okay, if you are ready to give a video testimonial for me for this course, let me know. I'm happy to give you absolutely for free, and only for three people, not more than that. Okay, so you be the first one. Whoever gives the first one, I'll just give them for free. It's only for 3 people. See how I collected testimonial, right? I just told you right now, you can do that. Okay, this is the strategy behind, right? The first one, you have to give your heading and subheading in a way that people it will grab the attention, then you are giving the option to share them so that they will, you can maximize it in future. Then I'm giving my credibility, and one more button that is actually attention grabbing, right? And it is ad compliant. Okay, let's move on to the thank you page. Now when somebody clicked here, right, and gave their email address, I am not redirecting them to my product page. Now this is my product page where I have the video set up and all the other stuff. We will come to this later, but I'm not sending them to here. I'm sending them to the thank you page. Why? Because when we do that, see, people who are coming to my opt-in page, they're highly targeted. Okay, it's not something that I'm just giving it to it's not anyone is coming. They are already interested on the product, so this is highly possible that they will go and click their email. 100% they will go, 90% they will go. Okay, so that is the only reason, because we want our email addresses, right, our sender emails, right, the company that you have from where you are sending the emails, it should be whitelisted. Okay, so that is why we are sending them to a thank you page where we are asking them deliberately to go and check your emails. So if you see here, my friend, I just told you, congratulations, I've sent you the IG training link for how to get 500 genuine Instagram followers in 1 month for free. See, this has to be congruent. See, this exact same message I'm giving in the thank you page, because it has to be congruent, right? It has to be congruent. Otherwise, if you send them to somewhere else, they might not understand what it is. See, what people does is they also redirect them to another completely, what is that called? An affiliate program, which is a good tactic, but unless you do it properly, it might not work. Okay, that means that should be congruency. If you are doing it for group, for example, then if you are keeping everything in front end, how to promote, what is group all about it, and after that you are sending them to a thank you page, then it's a different story. But if you are doing it in a different angle, right, you are not just promoting directly group, which everyone else is doing. If you do in a different angle, then your thank you page has to be congruent according to that, and after that you can redirect them to the group upgrade links and everything like that. So one more video idea, right? From the thin air. So this is the power of thank you page, right? So because the people will go and click their email, and they will click your email that you sent them. So somehow this will help Google, help your email provider understand that you are legit. People are opening your email. That is very good for your email delivery. Okay, very good. So that is what we are doing over here. Second thing, we are keeping it congruent so that people can relate. Third thing, what I'm doing over here, I'm giving them a graphic representation of showing them what to do. Because my promotion, my emails might go to the promotion tab, so that is what I'm crisply mentioning. If you see, follow the below steps when you open the email, this will ensure you will not miss important emails from our side. Okay, this is how not everybody will do that. I'm telling you again, maybe out of 100, maybe 10 or 5 will do that, but it's okay. Okay, because that 10 or 5 are your genuine followers who are interested in getting more and more value from you, and they will get, absolutely, right? Because we are not here to spam people. Right? Okay, because I got an email saying I hope you will not spam. I'm not going to tell the names, but absolutely right, that is what people think these days, because most of them, they just collect email to spam. They'll just throw offer after offer without adding value, without giving them the stuff, the why initially they got the email, right? And that is the natural perception will come up with people's mind. So that is absolutely fine. Okay. So this is why I gave it here, to make sure they understand what I'm doing. Okay, what they need to do next from promotion tab to the inbox, so that next time when you deliver an email, it's high probability that it will go and sit in their email inbox, even if it's a promotion email. That is the power. Okay, that is the power. Don't tell it to anybody. Okay. Okay. Now this is again fully email compliant, like Google ad compliant. This is not necessary, but I don't want to leave it to any option. Okay, so that's why I give everything over here. Now this is the simple use of thank you page. Now when they go, now what happens next? Next step is you need to build up this email sequence. Okay, so what I did is I built up in Active Campaign because a couple of weeks back Groove email was not complete. Like 1 month back, I believe, it was not ready. Okay, it was still warming up the list. So what I went ahead and because there was a very good option for Active Campaign that time. It's a very good software. I must tell you, one of the best when I use for email stuff. So if you are using Groove Mail, wonderful, but I am not using right now because there is still some bugs. I keep on hearing from people. There are some bugs still coming in. So I believe within couple of months, maybe 2-3 months or 6 months, this will be robust enough, right? Our Groove email will be robust enough so that I can shift everything from here to Groove email. That's why initially I created here. So I'm continuing with that because it has a free, not free, in very less price. I got a 1-year deal. That's a good deal. If you want to have that, there is a link in the description. So for Active Campaign, which I don't think you need right now. But yeah, you don't need right now anyways, but I have given the link if you still think Groove email will take some time, as just I thought, right? The way I am thinking right now, you can go ahead and subscribe for a year option. Absolutely very cheap price right now. Okay, so we will create this email, right? And my friend, this one, right? This email, how to set up the Groove platform with Active Campaign. There is an email, there is a video series for that in our YouTube channel. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go and do that, because this way you will have a lot of value content coming in your way. Okay, so we will create this one. Okay, now the objective, why and what we will write in that email, right? Let me just quickly show you what and why. See, this is the first email that your subscriber will get, right? If you see the open rate, right, 64% open rate, 64%, which is huge, right? Somebody subscribed. I don't want to tell the name. I know him. Maybe he would have thought that I will just kind of spam his email. He didn't even message me saying will you spam my inbox, but anyways, it's his loss, right? A lot of value, he will miss it. So let's go to my, and guys, my friend, every now and then I go and clean up my list. Whoever is unsubscribed, I just delete them. I don't want people who just think that they will get spammed, or if they are not getting value from me, then there is no point for them to stick with me, right? So it's good both ways, because it will not it will not also hamper my email delivery. That's why I personally go, I will tell you all the strategy, right, how to handle email stuff. Okay, completely different video. There is a very power pack stuff, how to unsubscribe, how to check what is the strategy you should take before deleting them from your subscription list. That is also coming in. Okay, let's go to campaign. So forget it. So the objective here is when you are sending them an email, like it's your first email, my friend, right? So you must tell them who you are, okay, what do you do, and how they can reach out to you. Those are all very important stuff. Again, not everyone will follow that, but you are telling, it's your job. It's not there to tell what you do, right? It's your job to tell them how can you help them in different ways. So the welcome email is very important, because you just see, right, 63% open rate. So welcome email has a very, very, very power open rates. Now rest 20%, they didn't go because they knew, they scrolled down and they saw you can get instant access. So they clicked here and they went and checked my product page. So now you understand, right? We are giving all the different options to make sure they go check it out, and we give them, see, customer satisfaction has to be the key. They should have multiple options, right? That is what we are using the thank you page for. Next comes your product delivery. Now, lot of stuff are inside here. Okay, I'm telling you. First, again, it's the congruency, right? The exact same stuff, what they've seen inside in the opt-in page, the same thing they will see, the same picture they will see. So they know what it is. Okay, absolutely. The congruency has to be there. After that, there is an option. This is a video that you can play. I'm not going to talk much about it. If you're interested, go check it out. Okay. Here, if you see, there is a give feedback button. Now, if you click here, it will go and sit here. Guys, come on, you have watched it. Didn't you like it? I extremely, I mean, wow, man. It's okay. If you're watching this video, my friend, and if you have already seen this 500 subscribers, and if it added value to you, I highly recommend, I highly request you go and put some comments here. Give your what is that called? Feedback. Okay. Let me try if it is working. Testing. This one. Okay, let me see, because sometime it happened that you would have tried and we are not getting it. Okay, now let's refresh this. Now it's there. Okay, my friend, if you really liked the video, I highly encourage just go and give your feedback there. Okay, so this is why I gave this button. See, not everyone will do it, but few will. Okay, so now why you need a feedback in this page? See, when you are, I told you, right, this is a funnel. Okay, you are taking an opt-in page. After that, they are giving the thank you page. Now you are putting it to the training page, right? Not training, the product page, the product delivery page. Now, when you get a lot of feedback, right, okay, when, let's say, suppose you are running an ad, okay, imagine when you have hundreds of comments here. Imagine this. You can actually take this comment section and put it in your opt-in page. Okay, that itself will tell them how powerful it is, right? That will bring credibility, and it is linked to the Facebook, so it's not like some text or video. They can click and they see the people who have given the feedback. Now that is the power. Okay, that's why, you know, keeping this option is actually valuable when it comes to, you know, bring what do we call that, credibility. Okay, because people will scroll down to see what other people are talking about this. Okay, now earlier, when the opt-in rate right now, how many ever, it's all organic, right? I'm reaching out to people. That's why 99% people or 90% people are actually opting in. But when you run an ad, you cannot expect that much opt-in rates. Okay, but I will also tell you another strategy in another video using which I got an opt-in rate of 65%. See, the industry average is 30%. Okay, if you get a 30% opt-in rate, that is really good. But I will share you another strategy very soon in this another series I will start, where I will show you using one method. Okay, I got 65% opt-in rate. I will show you all the details. Okay, stay tuned because you might hit that email very soon. So please check your emails or subscribe to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, you will soon all these things very soon. Okay, so when you have that comment section over here somewhere, people will scroll down, they will see that it will definitely going to bring you credibility. Okay, that's why this feedback button I have given over here. And if you see, there is no share option, because if they share this one, there is no point, right? They should share the opt-in page. That's why the share option is only here in the opt-in page, not anywhere else. Okay, now what else here? You see this portion, right? This particular portion. Now this is my upsell. Okay, this is my upsell. It is actually, if you tell me, it is not actually an upsell. If you click here, right, they will redirect to another training program, absolutely free. Again, understand the amount of value that has been given over here. Okay, I have to change the header anyways, but the power of this one, whoever is interested in my Instagram growth, they are entrepreneurs, right? They have a own business, or they are coach, or they're affiliate marketers, whatever, right? Something related to our niche that I am into, right? So they're interested. So when they click over here, if they get value, chances are there this might interest them. Okay, this is the next level, right? And I'm clearly saying this is not an Instagram course. Okay, you have to be very clear. Otherwise, 70 or 80 or 90% would think then this is an Instagram course. Let's go and register for the next value. It is wise if you have congruence. If you have something related to Instagram, it is wise if you have a paid course over here. Chances are they will enroll. Okay, so there are a lot of different ways you can actually monetize your funnel. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, giving you all the steps. You can have this over here, your paid subscription, because you are giving a value, and here you're giving them an option to go and subscribe for more value or more stuff. Okay, and also I'm giving next one is to access your community. This way you will grow your Facebook group. Also you can go to LinkedIn group, and this blog is solely for, I just told you the strategy, right? Once it grows, like 20 comments, 10 comments, 30 comments, 50 comments, you can actually take that and put it in your opt-in page. And if I go and start creating this one step by step, I'll create another video for this where I will show you how I created this, because otherwise this video itself will become 3 hours long. But I hope you understand the strategy, okay, what is behind my mind and how I implemented this. Now guys, this is just a YouTube video, right? I posted on YouTube. So what is happening here? Let me give you another very cool insight. I hope you love it, because from a video, what I'm doing right now, first thing, I'm generating leads, okay, before they watch my video. First thing. Second thing, in YouTube, I'm increasing my watch times, okay, from the same video. YouTube, I'm increasing my watch time. Now what else you need, right? So you are building digital assets over here. First, you're building your list. That is one digital asset that you can always monetize in future. And second one, you are increasing your YouTube video times. Like people are spending time on YouTube in your videos, right? They will also come across other videos. Chances are they will subscribe. Now, so these are two very powerful stuff is happening right now while you're watching this video, correct? Okay, so in the next video I will show you how I created this pages, right? This what is this called? This opt-in page, this thank you page, and this product delivery page. Step by step I will show you in 3 different short videos. I will bundle it into a package and deliver it to you, okay, so that you can implement the same stuff. And inside that you will also have all the templates. Okay, you can have these templates inside that bundle. Okay, it will be hosted on Groove members. And meanwhile, if you want to learn how to create an opt-in page using Groove, there is something called here free lead opt-in page. But this one, okay, I will create another video, because there is a lot of different components, like how to create this share button, how to create this comment section. These are pretty advanced. Okay, so I'm going to create a bundle of this one, and I will also integrate this our active campaign stuff, and I will send it to your email. Okay, so stay tuned for your email. Very soon you are going to hit it. Okay, if you haven't yet subscribed to the email series, my friend, go to the first link below, okay, for Fast Track Business Launcher. Or you do one thing, I suggest you go to this page. Okay, I will just put the IG growth. You see fasttrackbusiness.com/IG500. okay, go here, subscribe, so that you will be also able to, I would know that you are coming from this one, so I can send you the entire stuff, how I build it step by step, everything. Okay, I might charge that a little bit. okay, if you're interested to know, but it will be very cheap. Okay, now all this, my friend, the steps that I just show you, the entire strategy, if you want to implement it, please go click the link, get your Groove access first, absolutely free. You can implement everything inside absolutely for free. Okay, so what I will do is I will create a bundle. I will show how to create this sales page, sorry, not the sales page, the opt-in page, the thank you page, the training page, sorry, product delivery page, and also this email autoresponders stuff. Okay, everything I put in inside a bundle, because there is a lot of advanced stuff, like you know how to create a sharing button, how to come up with feedback button, how to create this. So there is little advanced stuff that you might need to go through, and I need to put some more time to make sure that you, so the objective, you know, so that you can go ahead, just follow it, and by the end of that series you will have your entire funnel, this particular funnel, ready, and you can start collecting leads absolutely for free. And if it is working, you can actually take it to the next level by putting some ads. Okay, run some ads like Facebook or Google. I can also show you retargeting stuff. If you see in the right hand side corner, there is a retargeting pixel is already set it up here in the opt-in page. Okay, you can see here, right? Retargeting, again, advanced stuff. If you want to learn that, there is something called retargeting, some video I have created over here in our channel. If you go, you can find it out, saying, you know, about retargeting. Okay, this one, know all about retargeting, this particular video. Go check it out, I'm sure you'd love it. Okay, and if you like the video, guys, please go ahead, subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up, put some comments, let me know whether you liked it or not, all the strategies, and what is your feedback. I would love to know. Okay, so that I can come up with a powerful content next time as well. As I told you, as I promised you, right? The next video will be on, let's say, these things, right? This I will send it to you in your email. Okay. If you want it, again, I'm telling you, go subscribe to this 500 follower 1 month, this particular page. I'll put that as a link here in the description. Okay, you can search for it and subscribe to this one, so that I know you are interested on this, so that I can send you that particular, you know, page, particular product. Once it is ready, very soon it will be ready, within a week or something. Okay, I will send it across. Okay, that's it. Guys, please subscribe, please like, please share your comments, because your comments are actually very valuable, and that helps me to make sure I produce better content for you, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till now. Take care. Bye bye.